Hi guys, just a quick instruction as to how you record your group sessions in Teams. First of all, to get your group sessions up and running, you need to create a meeting. So what you do is you go to Call and you type in the names of the people you've been put into a group with. Say if I was in a group with my colleague Klaus and my colleague Bjarne, I would include them here. Then I would click the video camera button in order to create the meeting. Then I would have the meeting up and running. Now, once I have the meeting up and running, I'll create a fake meeting here for us to have up and running. Here we go. It'll look like this, except that your webcam will be working. Now my webcam refuses to cooperate because I'm using it to create this video, but it will look like this except that your webcam will be working. So once you have the meeting up and running, you click these three dots and you can see here that you can start to record. And if you do that, the program starts to record your group session, your conversation, your discussion. Once you finish your discussion of the study questions for the text, you close your meeting, and when you do that, the recording, or at least access to the recording, will be placed here. Now it takes a minute or two to upload, so I'll show you here from some previous meetings that I've had. It'll look like this, okay? The meeting you will have held will look like this, and if you click the three dots here, you can see that you can get the link for that meeting. Now this is the link I would like for you to upload in Lectio so that I can see your discussions of the study questions for today's text. I think that's it. Have fun with it. See you. Bye-bye.